Welcome to KG Babes Kitchen. Today I was craving pineapple and coconut juice, and as a matter of fact, I don't really want to buy it, so I decided to make it myself. So first thing first, I got my coconuts, these three, and I got it for just 2,500 naira. I cut it into tiny pieces so that I'll be able to blend it properly, even though you can use a blender or a juicer. I already have a juicer, so I'm not going to be blending it. So after cutting it, I realized that one of the coconuts is spoiled, I think. So I had to remove it, wash it properly, then put it in a bowl and set aside. So after doing all this, I move ahead and start cutting up my pineapple. So I have two pineapple here. I actually bought three, but I'll be using only two for this. So in order to see what it's going to give us. I have seen this recipe so many times online where people blend pineapple and coconut together to get the juice. So I actually wanted to test it and see if it actually tasted like Chi Exotic pineapple juice or it's going to give me another thing entirely. So that is the aim of actually trying out this thing. So let me quickly say this. I am not a professional cook. So what I will be doing on this page is majorly when I see a recipe online that I think that I love, I would like to try, I'm going to try it and post it here and let you see. With that being said, kindly please like, share and follow my page in order to support me. Thank you. So let me quickly gist you. As I was prepping this thing, my mind was just cutting. My aim was like, hey God, don't let NEPA take light. You know, I'm in Nigeria, and here in Nigeria they take light at any fucking time. So if NEPA should take light, all the effort I'm putting into doing this video is just going to be like a waste of time. As I was cutting, my mind is cutting. I was like, God, please, God, when? Anyway, luckily for me, throughout the video, they didn't take light. But the moment I finished the video like this, they took their light. I said, oh, God, I thank you. So now this is our juicer, and this one is hand-free juicer. It really makes sense. It's something that if you have the money and you can afford it, you go for it because you are going to really enjoy it. I got it then around, I think, 200,000 for this particular one. And I've been using it for some time now, and I will tell you that I did not regret it one bit. It works very well. So now I'm putting in my pineapple and coconut. Can you see it? The shaft is always very dry. It's as in it will squeeze the something and it will come out dry. Can you see it? And that is the liquid that I generated from the two pineapple and two coconut in this video. So all in all, after doing all these thing, I was able to generate like 1 liter from the two coconuts and the two pineapple. Eventually what I discover is that you have to drink this thing on time, because when you put it inside the freezer, it is going to solidify. I mean the coconut juice. By the time I put it in the freezer and I remove it when we are ready to take it in the evening, I realized that I think the pineapple settled and the coconut juice on top solidified. So it is something that when you make it, you have to drink it, ice it immediately, then drink it. It is not something you can put in the fridge or in the freezer, because the coconut on top of it is going to solidify. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.